my manager is asking me, okay, what will be the discount total if I calculate 10% discount on sales? If I give 10% discount on sales plus GST, hypothetically speaking, okay? Now I will create a new column which says discount. And then what I can do is I can actually start with the equal sign, select this, multiply, sorry, equals, and then multiply this with 10%. Multiply this by 10%. It should be 0.1. Now it is calculated the discount, right? Now what I can do, I can close here, and then I can go to the here, and then what I can do, I can actually bring the discount column here, what I just calculated, and it gives me the discount total here. Okay, so which is basically the 10% of this, right? But now what happened is that becomes a permanent column. But instead, what I can do, I can also calculate the discount here. For example, I can calculate the discount here using a measure, and then I will say this is basically sales. So I calculated the sales actual, right? Actual total times 1.1 or 10%, 0.1. Okay. So now if I use the number here, okay, discount is already existing. Discount, I'll say discount measure. Now you see this. This is the same output we are getting using a measure. Now what is the difference here? The difference is that we have not created any additional data points. We have created a measure which calculates on the fly. And then I can reuse this measure. For example,